Welcome to JMC News. I am Ananya. You lock your phone, you use a strong password on your laptop, but a recent breach at one of India's largest nuclear power plant is a reminder that your own security habits aren't the whole picture. Sometimes the weak link is someone else entirely. In mid June this year, nearly 19,000 files totaling 14.3 gigabytes began circulating on the dark web, hosted by a ransomware group called World Leaks. The files were labeled KKNP, standing for the Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant, India's largest nuclear generating station located in Tamil Nadu. The leak wasn't discovered publicly until over a month later when cybersecurity researcher Rakesh Krishnan found the files on the dark website and reported them with Reuters, covering the story on the 16th of July. Here's the part that matters most for understanding how this actually happened. The hackers didn't break into the nuclear facility itself. They allegedly accessed sensitive project information through one of its contractors, Reliance Infrastructure, which won a contract in 2018 to build infrastructure for the plants still under construction. Unit 3 and Unit 4 had its data compromised but not on its own servers. Reliance Group acknowledged a partial breach involving data hosted on a server managed by a third party data center provider, IOTA. The files reportedly included blueprints, supplier documents, and equipment inspection records. Importantly, the plant's operator, the Nuclear Power Corporation of India, was not breached. Its reactor control systems and safety instrumentation remained untouched. But experts say that shouldn't be reassuring on its own. As one analyst put it, in modern cyber attacks, the hardened core of a facility is rarely the point of entry. Instead, attackers target the softer edges of the supply chain. The third party contractors and vendors who hold sensitive data but don't operate with the same level of security as the main facility. This is what security researchers call third party or supply chain risk, and it isn't limited to nuclear plants. Any organization that shares data with a vendor, a cloud provider, or a contractor is only as secure as the weakest system in that chain. For students, the lesson scales down easily. The apps you use, the college portals you log into, the cloud storage you trust with your assignments, every one of them depends on a chain of servers and providers you never see. Your own password is only ever one link in that chain. That's all for today from us. For daily news updates, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.